for you. Yes. Welcome back on my channel. Uh, it's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. I'm back again with another video today, right now. I saw something in Matabeleland province. I saw something in Matabeleland region when I was there in the province, in the region, this January and this February of this year, 2025. I was there in Matabeleland province, Matabeleland region, and I saw something very displeasing, so emotional, so sad, so hateful in Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region. I saw a lot of differences in terms of poverty levels in Matabeleland region. If you compare with Mashonaland, I've never seen something like that in my life. I went to different places in Matabeleland. I went to different places in the province. Places like Nyamandlovu, Nkai, Nkai. I went to Inyati. I went to Matopos. I went to Eskodini. Yeah. And I saw a lot of poverty, extreme poverty in those areas. And I was very much surprised and shocked. If I compare with what I know back here in Mashonaland. So this video is about comparing Mashonaland and Matabeleland. And I saw this marked or this more pronounced poverty level, Matabeleland versus Mashonaland. And I was very much surprised. I was very much shocked. Like, what's happening here? Of course, I was born yesterday. I was born yesterday, or I was born 2 days ago. And I don't know, I don't understand a lot of things. But I was like, what's happening in Matabeleland? If you look at Esgodini, if you look at Inyati, if you look at Ngai, if you look at Nyamandlov, if you look at Matopos, I'm like, what's happening here? What's happening here? If you look at the people, socially, economically, financially, you see that these people are suffering. These people are struggling too much. They are suffering too much. They are struggling too much. If you look at them, I was very much shocked down to the core. I was very much surprised down to the core. Like, Matabeleland region, Matabeleland province. What happened or what's happening socially, economically, and financially? What's happening with these people? You know what? This thing called poverty is something which is ordinary and common everywhere. In Africa, it's common everywhere. People are living in poverty everywhere in Africa, in Zimbabwe, in every country in Africa. But the kind of poverty that I saw in Matabeleland province, Matabeleland region, I was very much surprised. I'm like, what's happening here? For example, Matopos, for example, Esgodini, for example, Inyati, for example, Ngai, for example, Nyamandlov. No. For example, I went to Nyamandlov and I was looking at their clinics, hospital, their primary school. I was very much surprised. I was looking at their local police station in Nyamandlov, local police station, the clinic, hospital, the primary school. All these government institutions. I was very much surprised. They also looked poor, very poor, very poor, no resources, a lot of things which I saw. So I don't know, developed people or undeveloped people, people in Matabeleland province, people in Matabeleland region, talk to me. Whatever you know, why so much of a difference in terms of poverty if you compare Mashonaland and Matabeleland? Why so much of a difference in terms of poverty? What is the cause? What is the reason? What do you know? What do you understand? I was born yesterday. I was born 2 days ago. And I don't know anything. I don't know anything. But what I have is just the blessing of good eyes. Very sharp, good eyes. And this is what I saw when I was in a province, when I was in a region, Matabeleland, in January and February 2025. A lot of poverty, extreme poverty, acute, abject poverty in your province, in your region. In Esgodin, for example, in Nyamandlov, for example, in Matopos, for example, in Inyati, for example. Talk of Nkai, for example. All these places, what's happening? Again, in addition, talk of Shangani, when it just enter Bulawai, when just enter Matabeleland province, Matabeleland region, when it enter Shangani, that place called Shangani. Why? Too much poverty. If you look at the buildings, at the homes, at the houses, the infrastructure, the quality of the infrastructure in Matabeleland is not pleasing, it's not good. It's not nice to see, it's not nice to behold. Why? What is the problem? What is the reason? Talk to me. Develop people, talk to me. I'm very much concerned. I was born yesterday, I was born 2 days ago. I don't know a lot of things. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't understand anything. I want to hear from you. Why so much of a difference? Mashonaland and Matabeleland. Financial, economic, social. As people in one country, in one nation, why so much of a difference? Why so much of a difference? The quality of your buildings, the quality of your homes, the quality of your houses, the quality of your roads, the quality of your buildings, whether it's government buildings or even private buildings, the quality is not good. It's not nice to see, nice to behold. It does not give proper views, proper eyes, proper sight. What is the problem? What do you say? Develop people, develop people. In Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region, this is what I saw, this is what I discovered, this is what I learned, this is what I observed when I was in your province, in your region, January, February 2025. I was not happy, I was not impressed. I was not excited at all, at all. I was not excited. Because somehow, I like to see good things. In fact, you know what? When I came to your province, when I came to your region, Matabeleland, I had high hopes because I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming about coming to Bulawayo and see your city, Bulawayo, and seeing other places in Matabeleland. And now I finally came. By the grace of God, Jehovah, I finally came to your province with the high hopes, with the high aspirations. I came with high expectations, but then I was disappointed along the line. I'm like, the quality of the roads, the quality of the infrastructure, the quality of the buildings, the quality of the homes, the quality of the houses, the physical condition of the people, the social, financial state or condition of the people is not pleasing to see. It's not nice to see. It's not good. Why? What's happening? What's happening? So this is what I observed. These are my thoughts, my observations that I had in your town, Bulawayo, in your city, Bulawayo, in your province and region, Matabeleland. When I was doing my work, when I was doing my business operations in your province. Please, this is my point. This is my question to you that I am presenting and posing to you. What is the problem? Why much of a difference? Mashonaland and Matabeleland province, or maybe let me say Harare and Bulawayo, a lot of differences in terms of quality of this, of this, of this, of this. Why? Why so much of a difference when look at Matabeleland and Mashonaland? Whereas we are people in the same country, we are people in the same nation, under one government, one cabinet, one president. What's happening? We're in the same Republic of Zimbabwe, this country, this nation. Why too much poverty in your province, in your region? This is what I saw, this is what I heard. I didn't read from a book. I did not read from a book. No one told me this one. I saw it with my own eyes, my own naked eyes. I saw it. I'm like, what? What? This poverty is too much. This suffering is too much. This struggling is too much. In your province, Matabeleland. For example, I also went to this ghetto or location called Pumula South, Pumula North. I couldn't believe my eyes. It was so unbelievable what I saw. The level of suffering, the level of human suffering, the level of human struggling. The kind of poverty that I saw, the extreme poverty, abject, acute poverty in Pumula South, Pumula North. When I was going there with my work, my business operations, Pumula South, Pumula North, what I saw there, I don't know, is it a ghetto or a location? But I couldn't believe my eyes, what I saw, what I observed. I'm like, what? What? People also in Mashonaland, they also suffer and struggle at different moments of their life, at different times of their lives. But comparing with what I saw in Matebland, there's a difference. And I'm asking you, my viewers, subscribers, my visitors on my channel, people who are watching this video right now, today, what are you saying? What is the cause? What is the reason? What happened politically? What happened socially? What happened economically? What happened financially? To have this marked difference, or this too much of a difference in terms of poverty levels, Matebland versus Mashonaland. Answer me in the comment section. I am done talking. Yours truly, I am signing out. Remember to pray. Remember to drink water. It's healthy for your body.